Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's episode is super special because I'm taking you behind the scenes of something huge. KyneteCraft's first exhibition. For the past few weeks, I've been prepping, printing, packing and stressing too a little bit, but today I'll take you through the entire process step by step. From designing and printing our NFC phone charms and keychains to carefully packing them up and getting them ready for the final display. So let's jump right in.
We started with one of my favorite designs, the Batty Blink NFC tag phone charm. Watching this little bat come to life layer by layer is always satisfying. Next up, I had a whole bunch of orchid turtles coming off the plate. The colors and textures on these make them such a fan favorite. Then it was time for the CineSquid NFC tag phone charms. This one is always fun to print because you can literally see the details building step by step as the squid takes shape.
So I just finished putting keyrings into all of these white and black ones, and now I'll be doing those for the red and black ones.
These little pandas came out so cute. Once they were ready, it was time to prepare them for the exhibition. This part is all about patience. Attaching keyrings to every single keychain, making sure they're secure, and then packing them into individual pouches so that they're ready for display.
So now that I'm done with attaching the keyrings to all of these, I'll be putting them into the plastic pouches and packing them further. So now that I'm done packing all of my keychains into these plastic pouches, I'm going to be moving on to putting them all into these satin bags. I'm gonna first start and stick all of my logo stickers on these satin bags, and then we'll pack each one of these into these.
In the dark, drawing cold blood, hide away. Am I scared of the thing I'm trying to find? Cross my heart, but took a U-turn. Cause the light made my skin burn. Time after time. Guess I need to say sorry. Been treating me poorly. Believe that's not story. And of course, I couldn't forget the pumpkin turtles, which came out looking perfect for the season. One of the most interesting parts of making NFC charms is embedding the NFC tags inside the print. For example, with the Frosty Goggles NFC charm, I pre-programmed a pause in the print file. That way, the printer automatically stops at the exact layer where the tag needs to be placed. Once the printer paused, I added the NFC tag, pressed it into the slot, and then resumed the print. The printer sealed it perfectly inside the design. This process was the same for SmashBit, Bunny Byte, and Cube Bunny charms. Every one of them got their NFC tag embedded mid-print. It's like magic, watching technology and creativity come together. Once the prints were done, it was time for assembly. Each charm needed its finishing touches, like silver rings, sling threads, or keychains, depending on the design. For example, for this cube bunny, I had to burn off the extra wires coming out of the print. This part honestly took hours. First, I prepped the bunny Byte charms with their silver rings and sling threads. Then I moved on to SmashBit, cute bunny, and finally the frosty goggles. Once everything was ready, it was time to carefully pack them into their pouches.
In the dark, drawing cold blood, hide away. Am I scared of the thing I'm trying to find? Cross my heart, but took a U-turn. Cause the light made my skin burn. Time after time, guess I need to say sorry. Been treating me poorly. Believe that's not story. I'm not gonna stay undefeated. 6 feet underground, I bury my demons. Yeah, I'll sing it. Broken and bruised, but I'm never beaten. 6 feet underground, I bury my demons. Yeah, this is a funeral. In the dark, drawing cold blood, hide away. Am I scared of the thing I'm trying to find? Cross my heart, but took a U-turn. Cause the light made my skin burn. Time after time, guess I need to say sorry. Been treating me poorly. Believe that's not story. I'm not gonna stand there, stay undefeated. 6 feet underground, I bury my demons. Yeah, I'll sing it. Broken and bruised, but I'm never beaten. 6 feet underground, I bury my demons. Yeah, this is a funeral. And I feel in the dark, drawing cold blood, hide away. Am I scared of the thing I'm trying to find? Cross my heart, but took a U-turn. Cause the light made my skin burn. Time after time, guess I need to say sorry. Been treating me poorly. Believe that's not story. I'm not gonna
And after completing all of the designs of the charms, I of course saved the Batty Blink NFC charms for the last. After printing and finishing touches, I packed them up carefully, ready for showcase.
But took a U-turn, 'cause the light made my skin burn. Time after time, guess I need to say sorry. Been treating me poorly. Believe that's not story. I'm not gonna stay undefeated. 6 feet underground, I bury my demons. Yeah, I'll sing it. Broken and bruised, but I'm never beaten. 6 feet underground, I bury my demons. Yeah, this is a funeral in the dark, drawing cold blood, hide away. Am I scared of? Nothing I'm trying to fight. Cross my heart, but took a U-turn. 'Cause the
Seeing everything set up at the exhibition was honestly surreal. People got to see them, touch them, and ask questions about them, and finally buy them. This was such a huge milestone for KyneteCraft, and it's just the beginning. If you like this behind the scenes, then make sure to like my video, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what product you would have chosen if you were at the exhibition. Happy printing!